Yay! And we are live all the way from Europe. Hello,
Hi,
everybody. Good
everyone.
evening. Hello, mga sis. Hello, everyone. Good evening sa ating lahat. And welcome sa ating live session. Welcome sa ating mga viewers. So, we are live. Nagbabalik kami para sa isa na namang live session with a very interesting topic na siguro makaka-relate din kayo. So, we are using Tagalog and English in our conversation dito. Okay? So, yes, I am here with two amazing women from our business community, taga UK and taga Italy with me. So, before we start, yes, we are going to introduce ourselves. So, first, my name is Jenny, isang Pilipina, dito nakatira sa France. I work in childcare, a mom of three, and running a digital business on the side. Alright, so ipasa ko naman yung floor sa aking mga kasamahan. Punta muna tayo sa UK. Sis Liberty.
Hello, everyone. Good evening, and thank you so much for staying with us. And my name is Liberty. I'm from Newcastle, UK, originally from the Philippines. And I have two kids, and I'm a wife, and I work as a nursing assistant for the NHS. And I've been in the business for 2 years now, and I help busy professionals earn extra income online. Thank you.
Thank you. Now let's go to Italy.
Hello, blessed Tuesday evening or whatever time you are watching this live. Stay tuned po. By the way, I'm Rosalie joining all the way from Padua, Italy with beautiful ladies with us tonight from UK and France. Ako po ay isang ina, meron po ako isang anak. At syempre originally from the Philippines but now living and working as dental assistant here at Padua, Italy. And of course, doing online business at my free time. So thank you for being with us tonight. Excited ako
Okay.
makasama kayo because I truly believe na alam mo yun, learning never stops and every lesson we learn help us become more confident, grow as a person, and
Mhm.
eventually become someone who can inspire and guide others. Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much, mga sis. Alright. So, yung pag-uusapan namin is about learning. So, from learning to leadership. So, siguro sa mga viewers natin, meron makaka-relate. Yung minsan nasabi natin sa sarili natin na, well, I am not good enough. I'm not yet ready to teach others or inspire others because I'm still learning myself. Ito yung isa sa mga misconception ng mga tao na kailangan akala nila kailangan talaga expert tayo before tayo mag-inspire sa iba or we teach others. Yan. Pero, you know, the more we learn and then we overcome challenges and also we grow every day, nakaka-inspire na tayo ng ating mga actions sa iba. So, tonight we are going to talk about this and based on our experiences and sa ating mga questions, we are going to answer them. Okay? So,
Mhm.
unang question natin. Ano ba yung unang question natin? So, the first question is, when you first started your business, what was the biggest lesson you had to learn? Punta tayo kay Sis Rose.
Thank you for that great questions. Actually, for me, the biggest lesson talaga was realizing that success doesn't happen overnight. At alam natin lahat ito. Walang success na talagang bukas agad successful ka na. Kasi no, naalala ko, nung nagsisimula pa ako, gusto ko rin talaga na mabilis na result. As in, mabilis na kita. Akala ko kapag nag-effort ka ngayon, agad may outcome. Pero habang tumatagal, na-realize ko na consistency is more important than speed. Hindi kailangan na perfect talaga araw-araw. Ang mahalaga talaga is yung tuloy-tuloy kang kumikilos. Yung, alam mo yung kahit maliit na steps lang. Every pause, yung every training, every conversation is an
Mhm.
opportunity to learn and improve. Looking back noon, I can honestly say na ang maliliit na consistent action ang nagbi-build or nag-build ng confidence at growth ko. So, that's all for me. Thank you.
Okay, yes. Yun nga sinabi mo yung success, hindi talaga siya overnight. Hindi ito overnight success kasi nga we are not promoting get rich quick scheme dito. This is a real business. So you have to be consistent kasi ito yung panglaban mo sa mga challenges, di ba? Minsan hindi tayo motivated, minsan wala tayong ganang mag-check sa ating business. Pero we have to stay consistent. So ito
Yeah.
yung kailangan. Alright, so punta naman tayo sa ating next question, which is, was there a mentor or teammate who changed the way you think about business? Sis Liberty, what
Ah.
do you think?
Thank you for that question. Yes, definitely. I believe the people you listen to and surround yourself with have a huge impact on the way you think. Gaya na lang ng ang coach ko. First of all, I am very incredibly grateful sa kanya kasi she helped me see that building a business isn't just about learning strategies. It's about developing the right mindset. And she has always encouraged me to stay patient, stay coachable, and trust the process, even kahit na hindi natin nakikita agad ang immediate results. So, I've also learned so much from personal development mentors. Like if you are listening to them, like Napoleon Hill, Jim Rohn, and Tony Robbins, I'm listening to them every now and again, and they are motivational speakers online, and their teachings completely changed the way I think about success. And they taught me that success starts in the mind before it shows up in your results. And one lesson that really stayed with me is that your income really grows beyond your personal growth. And if I want a better future for my family, I have to become a better version of myself first by learning, improving, and growing every day. And gaya na lang, as a busy mom of two and also working full-time as a nursing assistant, it's very easy to make excuses kasi let's face it, life gets very busy every day. But these mentors help me realize that consistency is more important than perfection. So you don't have to be the smartest person in the room. You just have to keep showing up and never stop learning. That's why I'm so passionate about being part of a community that values mentorship, like what we have. Like this one, we have our accountability group, and I'm so happy that we found each other, and it is just not making myself develop, but it's also helping me build the business. It's also helping me become a stronger person, a better mother, and a better leader in the future. And I truly believe that mindset shift has made all that difference. Yes. Thank you so much. Back to you.
Wow. Thank you. Yes, ito din talaga yung importante sa journey natin bilang mga business owners, yung mindset. Talagang kung gusto nating ma-change yung situation natin, baguhin din natin yung mindset natin. From employee mindset to business-minded mindset, diba? Kasi ito yung importante sa ano natin, aside from yung makinig tayo sa ating coach, at sa pagiging yung to be with a supportive community. Ito din ang isa sa nagpaano sa atin, yung nag-push sa atin, nag-motivate, nag-inspire, nag-encourage, and celebrate our milestones din. Diba? Alright. So, meron tayong bonus questions, question mga, isa lang. So, ito yung third question natin. So, how ordinary people can become leaders through consistent action. Let's go back to Sis Rose.
All right. So my answer to that question is, for me, you don't have to be extraordinary to become a leader. Ako sa experience ko personally, leadership starts with small, consistent action. At yan ay alam na natin lahat. Hindi mo kailangan maging expert o alam mo na lahat bago ka mag-lead. Every time you choose to learn, show up, take action, and
Mhm.
help someone, you're already developing leadership as in.
Mhm.
I've realized that people don't follow perfection, but they follow consistency, authenticity. Yung napaka-importante nun. And alam mo yun, yung someone who genuinely cares. Yung totoo na nararamdaman mo na nagkikare sa'yo, di ba? Mararamdaman mo yun sa puso mo eh. Kahit yung
Mhm.
simpleng pag-share o natutunan mo o
Yeah.
pag-encourage sa isang tao, malaking impact na yun. Leadership is not about having the biggest title. It's
Mhm.
about being willing to serve, keep learning, and
Yeah.
inspire others through your action.
Yeah.
So, yun, if you're wondering, or if you're an ordinary person wondering if you can become a leader, just keep showing up. We just keep showing up. We just keep
Mhm.
learning and keep taking one step at a time. And we know that growth happens through consistency. And that's all for me. Thank you.
Wow, very nice answer, sis. Yes. How about you, sis Liberty? What's your take on
Yes.
this question?
Yeah. So, ordinary people like us, no one is born to be a leader, and no one was born confident. So we learn along the way, and being also stay like what I've mentioned before, kung magiging coachable ka lang and willing to learn everything, anyone can be a leader. And also, if everything that you've learned, you are also willing to teach others, and you will go a long way. Like what I do now, I practice it with my mentees. They ask me questions, and then kung ano yung mga natutunan ko, kasi sila wala talaga sila pang alam kasi bago pa lang, and ang ginagawa ko is what I have learned, I will also apply to them, and then what I get from my coach, I also share to them. So I believe that being a leader is a part of that is through learning. And with that learning, you will develop your skills to lead someone. And with that, anybody can be successful. Even the most ordinary person here, even our great leaders, they started with zero experience. And through time, experience, and learning from others, they were able to lead thousands of people around the globe. So that's how ordinary people turn into leaders, to learn and lead someone. Starts with small group, and then later on it becomes bigger and bigger, and then you don't realize that you already have a big team. So yes, that's how ordinary people become leaders. Thank you.
Yes. Amazing. Yes, and I can agree with you both sa inyong mga take sa ating question. So, para sa akin naman, yung ordinary people can become leaders by being consistent in learning, and sinabi ni Sis Liberty, then taking action, and also share what we learn, share it with others to teach them also. So, yung leadership kasi, it's not about, you have to be expert and perfect. You can be a leader, by showing good example with your actions to others and help also others, and one small step at a time every day, taken every day. That
Mm-hmm.
is also, you can inspire others. So you as a leader, you inspire others to follow you. Yeah. All right. So thank you so much mga sis. And any last words pala to our viewers, to your followers? Let's go back to Sis Rose.
All right. So if you're curious and you'd like to learn more about the digital business na ginagawa namin ngayon, I invite you to visit my website, www.rosalico.com. Just sign up your complete name and valid email address. Then you will receive the free webinar link so that you can watch the free webinar, then learn how the business works and take your time exploring the information. Then you can decide if this business is something that aligns with your personal goals. Thank you.
All right. How about you, Sis Liberty? Any last words?
Yes, yes. So if you're looking for a flexible way to earn online with step-by-step training, lifetime mentorship, I'd love to invite you to also visit my website. It's on the screen if you can see right now, and start with a free information session and see what it's all about. And who knows that this might be the thing that you've been praying for and been looking for all your life. So yes, just try, and you never know what's on the other side. Thank you.
All right. Thank you so much. So, yes, if you are curious about this digital business that we are promoting, then just message any of us. And as for me, my website is www.chininodigital.com. There is a free information session available for you if you are interested. You sign up your name and email address, then you'll get an email with a webinar link. So yes, that would be all from us tonight, and we will be back with another session next week. So
Yeah.
yes, thank you so much for watching and for joining us tonight. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you so much
Thank
to my
you.
co-host also. Thank you. That would be all for
Bye.
tonight.
Bye bye,
Bye.
everyone. Take care.
Bye.